LAPO 2.0.
Together for greatness.
This is a critical partnership with WSBI. Critical because this is the second time we are partnering with them. This is different because it has an agricultural perspective. Now we're looking at smallholder farmers who are women as well as women-led MSMEs.
Yes, my name is Vasilina Idjilo. I lead the program unit at WSBI. So we do think that we need to have a more combined focus that integrates gender lens investing with climate adaptive solutions. So what we're going to do with LAPO in a 12-month pilot in partnership with the Visa and La Caixa Foundation. And we're going to work with LAPO now to see how we can create a more flexible credit offer.
Carbon credit is the topic right now in this space and also across industries. For us at LAPO, from a CSR perspective, we're already doing some initiatives that can help reduce carbon emission. But of course, it's how to translate that into, carbon credit, carbon offsetting, and the likes. That's a focus for us now. So that's one way that we're looking at, carbon credit.
We are very proud to have started today another chapter in the long-standing history of cooperation between the World Savings and Retail Banking Institute, WSBI, and LAPO Microfinance Bank.
Really, really happy that we had this kickoff session.